Hey Google, I'm Sai Kiran and I'm a passionate student from BVRIT Narasapur and I'm excited to apply for the GDSC 2023 Lead program. As the GDSC 2022 Android Lead, I gained invaluable experience in organizing workshops, seminars and hackathons for the benefit of my community. I'm dedicated to working hard and bettering my peers. I also believe that a strong community can achieve great things together if intended. My current focus is on mobile development and I specialize in the Kotlin and the Flutter framework. Additionally, I'm an advanced Python developer with a keen interest in computer vision. The latest project which I have worked on converts Indian Sign Language hand gestures into text. Recently, I have developed a keen interest with the Google AI ML and also the Google Cloud and its potential to drive innovation. To be a GDSC lead, I believe one must possess strong technical ability as well as the ability to communicate effectively with their peers. I'm confident that I can use my expertise to promote Google scholarship schemes and free to use tools like the Google's Teachable machine, which has helped me personally to complete many projects. I also believe in working on projects that can help the college community and address local problems will be possible through me becoming a GDSC lead in my campus. Thank you, Google, for this incredible opportunity. I look forward to contributing to the GDSC program and making a positive impact.